committee requested for the list of revenue generating agencies, the Accountant General personally signed a letter giving us a list of 92 agencies of the government as revenue generating agencies. That shows that they are already looking beyond the Fiscal Responsibility Act of these 31 agencies that have been identified.
Some are not captured.
Sir, some are not captured in the Fiscal Responsibility Act. And as for the page you refer to, sir, I give you list or names of some of the agencies which you and I agree that definitely these agencies are revenue generating agencies. But for the wisdom of those that put together the earlier Fiscal Responsibility Act, maybe erroneously omitted these agencies from the Fiscal Responsibility Act, which we, during our own consultation, decided to widen the gap. Because you found out that at the end of the day, sir, when you approach these agencies that even not captured in the Fiscal Responsibility Act, they will give us a record and tell us that they have remitted certain amount into the Consolidated Revenue Fund account, even though they are not captured under the Fiscal Responsibility Act.
So just for clarity.
Amount expended by the Nigerian Petroleum Corporation was 18.1 trillion naira, leaving them with a deficit of about 3.1 trillion naira. And it's a special case. There have been, the committee was confronted with a lot of challenges. We set up a small committee within the committee to consider, especially the Nigerian Petroleum Corporation, which I was headed by Senator Yusuf, to look into the account. My dear colleague, there were a lot of challenges. NNPC refused to give maximum cooperation to the committee. They went as far as going to the Ministry of Finance, telling the Ministry of Finance that they were trying to subject them to the National Assembly to scrutinize their account. And I want to inform the committee that since then, the Ministry of Finance backtracked, and since then, they've been doing ups and downs with the committee by refusing to give further additional information that will allow us to probe into the details of the 18.1 trillion expenditure between 2012 and 2016. Now, in the interim, there are certain observations which this committee has put together for our consideration to forestall further refusal to remit certain amount of money into the Consolidated Revenue Fund account. These observations include: 1, in the course of the investigation, the committee observes the following. A, the revenue generating agencies choose to comply with a directive via a memo dated 11th November 2012 with the reference number stated in the content by the former Minister of Finance, Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, to remit 25% only from their revenue generated and using the remaining 75% as their expenditure, which is a clear violation of Section 120 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended, and also a violation of the Fiscal Responsibility Act 2007 and Establishment Act of some of these institutions. B, most of the revenue generating agencies denied the Auditor General of the Federation access to their financial books and records, which is in conflict with Section 125, subsection 3A, 1 and 2B, and subsection 4 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended.